Hello students, before discussing further, I would like to remind you that during our classes we had discussed the differences between compounds and mixture, and in that one we had discussed on the various aspects, and also we had discussed the main points of distinction between a mixture and a compound by one experiment in which we had taken iron fillings and sulfur powders, and we had taken iron fillings and sulfur powder in two china dishes, china dish A and B. So in china dish A we had taken the iron fillings and sulfur powder as it is, but in B we had heated it to red hot and we had obtained a black mass. Students, from the above discussion we have concluded that in the china dish A, both iron fillings and powdered sulfur are in the form of a mixture, and in the dish B, a chemical reaction has resulted upon heating, and black mass of iron sulfide is formed. It is a compound. Now, students, iron fillings present in dish A are attracted toward the magnet. Since iron sulfide is a compound, it is not attracted toward the magnet in dish B. Next, carbon disulfide has dissolved sulfur present in dish A, leaving behind iron fillings. It will not dissolve iron sulfide present in dish B. And next, dilute hydrochloric acid has reacted with iron fillings in dish A to evolve hydrogen gas, that is iron plus hydrochloric acid produces iron chloride plus hydrogen. At the same time, the acid has reacted with iron sulfide in dish B to evolve hydrogen sulfide gas. It has the smell of rotten eggs. That is, iron sulfide plus hydrochloric acid produces iron chloride plus hydrogen sulfide. Now, the mixture are of two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Actually, when one substance dissolves or mixes well with another substance, we regard the mixture as a solution. And a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances is regarded as a solution. A solution may be defined as a homogeneous mixture of two or more non-reacting substances is known as a solution. Now we will discuss constituents of a solution. In a solution, any number of components or constituents can be present as in the case of seawater. But we will discuss here in this class only binary solutions, that means which contain two components only. So such solutions have only two constituents or component, and these are known as solid and solvent. For example, we dissolve sugar in water to prepare the sugar solution. In this solution, sugar acts as the solute and water as the solvent. Now we will discuss types of solutions. So in a binary solution, any number of these can act as a solvent or solute. The 9 different types of binary solutions are possible, and these have been further divided into 3 types of solutions depending on the nature of the substance acting as a solvent. So the 3 types of solutions are solid solutions, liquid solutions, and gaseous solutions. The solid solutions, in these solids act as the solvent, and in liquid solution, liquid act as a solvent, and in gaseous solution, the gas act as the solvent. Now we will discuss some examples of solution. Number 1, sugar in water. In this solution, sugar is the solute while water acts as the solvent. It is an example of solid in liquid solution. That is liquid solution. Next, iodine in alcohol. Here, iodine is the solute and alcohol behaves as the solvent. The solution is quite often known as tincture of iodine. Next is aerated drinks such as soda water. Here, carbon dioxide gas is dissolved in water under pressure. It is an example of gas in liquid solution. That is liquid solution. Next is air. It is a homogeneous mixture of different gases. Out of these, oxygen 21% and nitrogen 78% are the main constituents, while the other gases are present in small proportion. It is a solution of gas in gas, that is gaseous solution. Next is copper sulfate in water. In this blue solution, copper sulfate acts as the solute while water is the solvent. It is an example of solid in liquid solution. That is liquid solution. Next is dilute hydrochloric acid. In this case, both the solute and the solvent are liquid. Hence, it is an example of liquid solution. Next is brass. It is an alloy which contains nearly 70% copper and 30% zinc by mass. It is homogeneous in nature and is an example of solid in solid solution. That is solid solution. Thank you students for watching this video and stay safe, stay healthy.